everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to make these two different styles of Shagun envelope or money wraps using some interesting techniques of creating our own background. So here I will share two different techniques of making striped background, and here I have used the color combination of pink and green and peach and orange, and both the envelopes are looking stunning, isn't it? Also, I will share how to create the paper quilling flowers for the decoration of envelope, and on both the envelopes I have added different sentiments. So without any delay, let's start with procedure. Starting with taking 21 by 21 centimeter light green color cardstock to create envelope. From left side I have creased at 6 and 14 centimeters, and from top and from the bottom I have creased at 1 centimeters. Now can you see here the crease line? The 1 centimeter crease line. So we have to chop all four corners till the center point of crease. And I'm repeating it from all four corners. So this is done. Now I'm folding all the creased parts and burnish it nicely using bone folder. Then adding little bit of glue on this 1 centimeter folded part and sticking with the bottom flap. And our envelope is ready in few minutes. Very easy. So this is done. Now here I am taking this 19 by 7.5 centimeter pattern paper, and from top I have folded at 2 centimeters. So I am sticking it from inside of envelope towards the outside like this. So the 2 centimeter gap will come in the front. Similarly, taking one more pattern paper sheet which measures 8.5 by 19 centimeters, and from bottom I have folded at 2 centimeters. So just adding glue and connecting on the top side of the envelope. And the base for envelope is ready. Very pretty. Now here I am sticking 19 by 6 centimeter green color cardstock strip on the top. Then keeping it aside, and I am showing you my technique to create hand cut window. For this I am taking this flourish designer paper which measures 6 by 19 centimeters, and from back side I have created the border of 7 mm from all four sides. So we just need to cut this frame using paper cutter. So here I am making the window to create my strip pattern. And the window is ready. Then from back side only I am adding glue and start sticking same designer paper strip in diagonal manner, and you should work upside down so that the designer part should be downward. So when we will rotate our work, it should look nice. So one by one I'll start sticking these strips like this. So this is completely done. Now we just need to create the cross pattern by adding strip on other direction. And similarly I am just completing it till the end. So this is done. Now I am just chopping out the excess paper. And the beautiful cross window pattern is ready. Now adding glue on back side of this and sticking it exactly in the center of the envelope. So this is completely ready. It's looking absolutely amazing. So this is done. Now it's time to make the quilling flowers. So for my first flower here I am taking 1/3 strip of dark pink color in 3 mm and making one bended teardrop shape. Similarly I have prepared one more in pink and one small size teardrop in dark purple color, which is made using 1/4 strip. Now joining all 3 petals together and wrapping it using pink color strip. So the petal is ready. Now I am joining total 7 petals together to create the flower. Then adding B7000 glue in the center and sticking one half cut pearl as the center of the flower. And the beautiful flower is ready. Allow it to dry. Now to create filler flower here I am taking 1/4 strip of dark pink color in 3 mm, making again a bended teardrop shape. Similarly I have prepared one more already. So just joining 2 petals together and wrapping it using pink color strip. So the petal is ready. Then I am joining 7 petals together to make the flower. Again adding glue in the center and sticking half cut pearl in the center of the flower. So the flower is ready. With the similar method I have prepared one more flower. So these are the filler flowers. Then to make leaf, here I am taking 1/4 strip of light green color and 1/4 strip of dark green color and making one leaf shape. So I have already prepared some leaves. Then to make scroll, I am taking 2 1/4 strip of dark green color and 2 pieces of 1/4 strip of light green color. Gather all together, fold it from center and start rotating it using pointed tweezer to create the scroll. Cut the excess strip from bottom, secure the ends using glue and the scroll is ready. With a similar method I have prepared one more scroll. Now taking back my envelope, and on left side of the envelope base I am going to decorate with my quilling designs. So this is completely done. Now I'm just decorating with some small size half cut pearls here and there randomly. And then at the end I am adding sentiment congratulations in one corner, which I have cut using die by Dress My Craft. Here I have used 3 layers of white cardstock and 1 layer of gold cardstock to create the dimensional sentiment. So this is attached and our beautiful first pattern envelope is completely ready. Isn't it looking very pretty? Now it's time to proceed for second envelope. So here I have already prepared the envelope base using peach color cardstock with the same method just like we did for light green cardstock. And here on the inner side I am adding 19 by 3 cm pattern paper strip in the bottom. Then I am taking one more same cardstock which is 19 by 14 centimeters. I have just folded at 6 centimeters and I am sticking it like this. So the base is ready. Now here I am taking same flourish designer paper which is 5 by 5 centimeters, and from back side I have created the frame of 5 mm width. So we just need to cut the frame using paper cutter just like we did before. And now taking small or thin same designer paper strips, and we just need to connect it in one direction like this. Now adding glue and sticking it on peach color cardstock. By leaving 2 mm gap from all 4 sides, I am trimming the peach cardstock. And this is completely ready. With the same way we need total 3 patterns like this. Now taking back my envelope, and I am sticking these squares one by one. So on 2 corners of the envelope I am sticking these pattern in horizontal manner, and the center one I am sticking it as vertical manner. Just eyeball it in the center and stick it nicely. So this is done. Now I'm starting with making my first quilling flower for decoration. For this I'm taking half strip of orange color in 3 mm and making one bended leaf shape. Similarly I have prepared one more. Now joining both the petals together and wrapping it using red color strip. So the petal is ready. Now I am connecting total 8 petals together to create the flower. Add glue in the center of the flower and sticking half cut pearl. So the flower is ready. Now to make filler flower, here I am taking half strip of red color in 3 mm and making one tight teardrop shape, joining 4 petals together and adding half cut pearl in the center. So the filler flower is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more already. And also I have created some leaves and scrolls just like we did for first envelope. Now taking back my envelope design, and exactly in the center I am decorating with my quilling patterns. So this is done. Now I am just decorating some of the corners of squares using half cut pearls and also sticking sentiment hello in one corner, and this is ready. Also I have decorated these two corners using gold mirror cardstock triangles just to add a little more glimmer to the envelope. So in this way I have prepared two different styles of envelope using striped background technique, and in this way you can play with different patterns and make your own envelope for coming festive season. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm waiting for your comments eagerly. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.